So the topic is be unstoppable. Now, what does this mean? Be unstoppable so that no one can stop you. We have to see both sides of this topic. If someone is stopping you, he must be stopping you by with some logic. You may know that he's stopping you with logic or his intention that you must not go forward from him. If this is not his intention, then you must acknowledge that why he or she is telling you to stop. You must be committing some mistake. Now let's see the brighter side. You can become unstoppable only if you give up the materialistic things that will make you stop. That will definitely make you stop from reaching your whole potential. How will it stop you from reaching your potential? Like, suppose your aim is something, your aim or goal must be a materialistic thing or achieve something like I have to fulfill this task. What will happen after that? Most of the times we are not able to fulfill that task, that materialistic thing. You know why? You already know, because of our comfort zone. We think something, we do very less. But if you will achieve it, then what will happen? You will stop. Definitely you will stop because you have achieved that thing. But after it, you will think for something bigger, that I will achieve this thing now. So now you will go for it again. And then you may not you but then also you will stop. Why? Because materialistic things have limits in them, and those limits are also in your mind. You will be stuck in your comfort zone. There are very few people who will work like this, that they have achieved some one particular thing, then they will aim for next thing, and they have achieved that also, and they will aim for next thing, and they have achieved that also. They will achieve everything that they want, but they are only 5 to 4 to 3 to 1% peoples only. Majority of the peoples are not like this. Majority of the peoples, they have their minds, and their mind call for the comfort zone, and then only they are not able to do what they want to do. They are stoppable. They can be stopped, but you have to become unstoppable just like them. We have to see a principle. We have to watch for a principle that can be applied to all the peoples, and they will become unstoppable. Because goals, materialistic thing, hard work, these all can make only 5 to 10% peoples unstoppable. But there is something that can make all the peoples unstoppable, each and every person. What is that particular thing? It is your interest work. As I've told in my earlier videos also, the importance of interest work. Everybody is unique. He or she is built for a particular thing in his life. Particular, it is not a goal, it is not a materialistic thing. It is his nature. There is a particular word that he or she is made for. Like, one is good in convincing to someone something. He or she had to find his power, his interest, his ability, his talent of this particular thing, that he or she can easily convince someone something. This education system won't let this quality of a person or an individual out. The education system will only teach you chemistry, physics, math, etc., anything else. They won't teach you that what are you, how to identify yourself. You should identify yourself. They won't teach us, but we have to see it. We have to search it in our whole life. For our whole life we have to search this only, because there's nothing else to search which can give you satisfaction also, because you are made up of that. Your heart, your soul, your whole body is made for that purpose only. You will like it also, and you will definitely reach to a next level in that particular thing, your particular niche or your interest work. And when you will find it, you will definitely become unstoppable. So try to find your interest work, try to find your work, focus on the work, and you will become unstoppable. No materialistic thing can sway your mind, because it has limitations, so it will stop you. But if you are focused on your work, it can't stop you. So, in order to become unstoppable, you have to focus on your work. As rightly said by Sandeep Maheshwari, whatever the work that I'm doing right now, to do this, I'm ready to lose my everything. Thank you.